Today we are going to draw something super exciting. Yeah, that's right. We are going to draw a donut. Donuts are my favorite. They are so yummy. First, I am going to draw a circle. Let's draw another circle in the middle. Which donut is your favorite? I love chocolate donuts. Now I am going to draw some sprinkles on top. Let's make them colorful. Green and light blue. Yellow. Let's color our donut. Pink. Oh, it's already looking so yum. I am loving it. Are you drawing with me? We are almost there. Brown. And ta-da! That was so much fun. I love drawing it. See you next time. Bye.